So our next category is projects with a value of between $2 million to $5 million. There are 9 finalists. The winner is Brian Perry Civil, Days Bay Wharf Repair and Refurbishment.
Brian Perry Civil for Days Bay Wharf Repair and Refurbishment. Brian Perry Civil saved a Wellington icon by rebuilding the 125-year-old Days Bay Wharf using a methodology that ensured not a single sailing of the regular passenger ferries was disrupted. BPC's environmentally friendly and heritage-focused approaches appealed to the client, Hutt City Council.
Well, that was quite unexpected, and it's a bit nerve-wracking not having the rest of the team here. Unfortunately, they couldn't be here, but just want to say thank you to CCNZ for recognising this job. And Janet from Hutt City, it's not often you get a project like this one. It was an absolute little gem. Could have been a dog with the scope increase, but because of our team, a really great client and designer, it was awesome. Really good job. Thanks, everyone.